Every story starts with a single step. We build our own path, plank by plank. Even when the river rushes below, we keep moving forward to see the beautiful bridge we've made.
Stop saying I can't. Watch what happens. I'll try anyway. And watch success appear.
I thought I had it all figured out, but then life hit me with a massive wall. Day after day, I just wanted to quit, but then I realized this wasn't the end. It was just time to start again.
Every story begins with a single, small step. And soon, it becomes a beautiful, unstoppable wave. That is how you draw a
Every
life.
day, I dedicated time to practice. And slowly, that small habit began to grow, creating a powerful aura of focus around me.
"4 o'clock in the morning. While the rest of the city is still fast asleep, before the sun rises, I rise. This is how my day begins.
This is the story of my busy life. Every little task I complete gives me a little burst of joy. It is the small wins that matter.
In the race of life, many start strong. They push hard but quit just meters before the finish, while the tiny stickman quietly crosses it. Slow and steady always wins.